Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Radhika Bindal. So today's video is a DIY video. So I guess you guys might have a wraparound skirt with a good flare in it. So I came up with 4 different outfits for you guys which you can create without stitching, without hemming any edges or using any glue. One of them I wore in this video, so you can see the technique of this outfit in the video. So let's get started, but before getting started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so whenever I update a new video you get the notification. And also follow me on Instagram by the name of Radhika Bindal01 for all the quick updates related to the YouTube videos and everything. Bye bye guys, and do let me know in the comment section how do you like it and which look do you like it, and do send me the pictures if you create any of the look. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.